Hey guys, what's going on? This was a chaotic week in the Bitcoin market because more details continue to surface about the FTX saga. One thing that is important is to separate out Bitcoin from all of the centralized equity-based exchanges. Why is that so important? Well, a couple of months ago, if I had told you that the second largest crypto exchange was going to blow up, implode, and file for bankruptcy, I don't think very many people would have thought that Bitcoin was simply going to go sideways. That highlights how resilient the decentralized peer-to-peer software-based payment network really is. At the end of the day, Bitcoin and decentralized platforms get lumped together under the banner of the crypto industry. But Bitcoin is different. Some of you will buy Bitcoin on the platforms, some of you will store your Bitcoin on the platforms, and others of you will try to generate yield or use other financial services that are provided by the centralized services. But ultimately, Bitcoin is a resilient, separate thing, and I think the market is starting to wake up to that. That leads to the conversation around regulation. As we have seen time and time again, Bitcoin already has a clear regulatory framework. Both the SEC and the CFTC, along with regulators around the world, agree Bitcoin is not a security. Bitcoin will continue to operate in the exact same regulatory environment that it previously was. The big question and where more regulatory scrutiny is going to come is on centralized players and the rest of the crypto industry. I don't know what the details will be. I don't know when that regulation will come, but it's hard for me to believe that $10 billion potentially just evaporated into the air and regulators won't step in and create tighter rules. Lastly, you have to remember that bear markets suck. Everyone hates them, they don't feel good, and naturally, you kind of wonder what the hell is going on. But bear markets are what forge the foundation for the next bull market. As we have seen time and time and time again, bear markets clear out the bad actors and they clear out the bad businesses. This is how free market dynamics should work, and it's exactly what we're seeing happen in real time. Bear markets are a necessary part of the market cycle, and I believe that once we get to the other side of this, the industry, the assets, and the players will be stronger for it. That's it for this week. I hope that you enjoy these weekly updates, and I'll see you all next Saturday.